Hi, this is couple therapist Abe Kass. Have you been trying to form a closer relationship with your husband or boyfriend? To find ways to make your relationship with him more loving, friendly, and respectful. However, his bad attitude, his resistance, has blocked your efforts. If so, as a relationship specialist, I know exactly what you are going through. There is nothing more depressing than the coldness of knowing that an entire weekend stretches out before you with no promise of friendship, warmth, or cooperation. During the few moments when you do interact with your man, the bickering and verbal jabs is like sparring with an enemy. Even though you live together, there is no one to talk to, perhaps no one to eat with, just emptiness. Likely you have very good ideas on how to improve your relationship. However, your husband or boyfriend seems unwilling to recognize your well-meaning advice. As a woman, you have enormous relationship power. Don't underestimate yourself, and don't hold back from using this feminine power. Based on years of clinical success as a professional couple and family therapist, I am excited to teach you how to get your man's attention so you can give him positive suggestions on how he can be more loving, sensitive, and caring. And this is why I'm so excited to be able to share with you my groundbreaking book called How to Make a Man Happy. Mastering the wisdom in my book, How to Make a Man Happy, you will acquire the skills needed to achieve two important relationship goals. Number one, how to get your man to be willing to accept your positive suggestions. And number two, how to build a relationship of love, friendship, and longevity. This groundbreaking book, How to Make Your Man Happy, will teach you about a man's needs. And they are different than yours. And without knowing these differences, it is impossible to build a close relationship with him. How to Make Your Man Happy plunges you into the depths of the male psyche and brings you back out with new tools and strategies to help you and your man build a healthy, happy, and long-lasting relationship. Here's a sneak peek at what's covered in my book, How to Make a Man Happy. You will learn how to make your man seek your company and feel valued and loved by you. What are the 6 male nutrients your man needs? The 7 ways to influence your man. The 7 ways to build a connection with your man. And how to make your relationship long-lasting. The reason I wrote How to Make a Man Happy and made it readily available to everyone who needs it was because I know that many couples are unhappy because they're missing some very basic knowledge about the intimate relationship between a man and a woman. So if you want to break free from the prison of loneliness and reconnect with your man, buy my book, How to Make a Man Happy. This book will open up a whole new world of relationship opportunity for you and your man. Being completely frank with you, perhaps there will not be 100% improvement in your relationship, but it will be much, much better than it ever was before. Let me show you how to positively influence your husband or boyfriend, make him happy, and dramatically improve the health and satisfaction of your most valued possession, your marriage or committed relationship. In turn, your man will respond with acts of love, care, and devotion. When you help make your man the best he can be, together with his positive efforts, the two of you will be happy together. Open your heart up to new possibilities. Grab your copy of How to Make a Man Happy. It is available as a PDF download, Kindle ebook download, or paperback.